Okay, let's get started. Now I'm going to show you how to get thousands of reps into your business. Okay, now remember, reps create momentum. See, the more reps you have, the more customers you will have. So we're going to show you how to get a ton of reps. Now this is the master key to getting representatives. I hope you have your pens and paper ready. Write these 3 words down. The master key to getting representatives is list, script, sorting. List, script, sort. That's the master key. That unlocks the whole business. Those 3 words unlock everything. Now on your list, you want to code your list. You want to put an R by the people that you want as representatives, and you want to put a C by the people's name that you want as customers. Now, here's a little inside secret. Don't go after entrepreneurial people or heavy hitters as customers. Always focus on those people as representatives, okay? Because those people can bring you thousands of customers and representatives in the long run. So focus on the heavy hitters. You're looking for heavy hitters. You're looking for leaders as representatives. Now, once you code that list, then there's a script that we use to get representatives. And basically, it's what we call a peak interest script. It's a script that says, and it's basically a question is what I'm trying to get at. Basically, it's you're in a conversation with someone and you ask them, hey, do you look at free opportunities now and then? That's a question. Hey, do you look at opportunities now and then? Or hey, if the money were right and it fit into your time schedule, would you be open to a free opportunity? Or whatever the question is, it's a peak interest question. Now, we also must be in a sorting mentality. We're always going through all the people to find the right people. We're not in the convincing business. We're not in the begging business. See, amateurs try to convince and beg, but professionals sort. So you become a professional right now from day one. Always have a sorting mentality. Now, when you're sorting through the people, you will run into 3 types of people. There's always 3 types of people when you're sorting and when you're using the script. And when you're asking people a question, are they interested in a business opportunity? And those 3 types of people is, number 1, people that will say, yes, I'm interested in an opportunity. Number 2 is people that will ask questions. They are just kind of curious. They want to know more about it. And then there's the 3rd type of person, which is the no people. People that are not interested in an opportunity. And you will always run into those 3 types of people. Don't try to change those odds. Never try to change a no into a yes, okay? Or you'll have problems. All right? Now, there's a step that we call the recruiting process. And it's a 3-step process. See, I want to simplify this very, very simple so you can get it right now, and with your notes you can be able to show someone else how to do it. And that's going to be key in your success in this business, is how easy you can learn this and teach this. Okay? You learn it, you show someone else how to do it, and you show them how to teach it. So we're simplifying this so you'll be able to learn it right now in the next 30 minutes or so, and you'll be able to pass it on and just have a tremendous success. All right? Now, there's the recruiting process. There's 3 steps, a simplified recruiting process. Step number 1 is called peak interest. Now, peak interest is what I said before. It's nothing but asking a question. Are you interested or not? Basically, that's the gist of it. That's peak interest. And when people say yes, they're interested, or they ask questions, they want to know more information, then we have the step number 2, which is an effective presentation. A presentation, and we have many different outlets for a presentation, from conference call to internet websites to audio tapes to videotapes. I mean, there's just a wealth of avenues that you can present this opportunity, and you do not have to be an expert or be a great presenter yourself. We have tools that you can acquire that will do the presentation for you effectively, okay? And once a person sees the presentation, if they're still interested, then step number 3 is training. That's what this tape is for right now, to train you how to do this business. Give you a good example. Would you try to fly a 747 jet if you did not have any training? No, that would be foolish. Or would you even ride on a 747 jet that the pilot never been trained or don't know how to fly it? Of course not. So would you really try to make a lot of money in this deal if you have not been trained? No, it's foolish. So training is the key. So the recruiting process is that what you do, you pique a person's interest, then you get them into effective presentation, and then you enroll them into training. And I tell you, with the presentation video that you might have just viewed and this training video, you have some very powerful tools to run your business, okay? Now, this is something I want to really give each and every one of you about representatives in this business, and about working your list, and about, you know, piquing interest and everything. It's up to you to really have a strong work ethic and go after these people. I tell you, we have all the bait that you need. When you're going to fish, when you're going fishing for people, you know, let's give you a good example. If you're in a canoe and you're out fishing, have you noticed no fish come up to the boat until you throw the hook in, until you throw the fishing rod in? No one comes until you throw the fishing pole out, the hook. But you know, you need bait for the hook, and that's where these tools come into. But it's up to you to approach these people. Now, there's 3 mental adversaries that you are going to go through, and I just want to prepare you for this up front, so you'll know how this business works.